Okay, fifth graders, I want you to do the problem solving page. It's the last page on 13.1. I don't plan on doing any of these really, so I suppose we could take a look at a couple of them. How about number 22? Dan and his 4 friends want to share the cost of a meal equally. They order 2 large pizzas and 5 small drinks. And then if they leave a tip of $6.30, how much does each person pay? Well, Dan and his 4 friends, that would be 5 right there. And then you're just simply going to have to total how much money they spent and divide it by 5. How about 23, higher order thinking? Use the operation signs. We've got a plus, a minus, multiply, and divide once in each of the, once each in the expression below to make the number sense true. Well, it's kind of trial and error there. Some of you may look at it and figure it out right away. So for example, the parentheses right here, the 3 something 1, that's going to have to be done first. So the question is it going to be a plus symbol, a subtraction symbol, a multiplication symbol, or a division symbol? So, and then once you use one of the symbols, you can't use it again. So I'll let you guys figure out number 23 there. 24. It says Carlotta needs 12.5 yards of ribbon for a project. She has 5.5 yards of ribbon on one spool and 2.5 yards on another. So she has 5 1/4, 2.5. It says, how much more ribbon does she need? Well, you're just going to add those 2 amounts, and then you'll subtract the difference from the 12.5, because 12.5 is the total that she needs. And I'm just going to say I'm going to probably ask about all of these questions. And so make sure you guys do them. And there will be a cost, a penalty, if you don't do them in Classcraft. Let's see here. 25. It says, trying to get my marker here. There we go. It says Teresa bought 3 containers of tennis balls at $2.98 each, and then she had a coupon for $1 off. Okay. Her mom paid for half to the remaining cost. Okay, so the half of the remaining cost is after the coupon of $1 off. And then it says, how much did she pay? And then it says, evaluate the expression. 3 times $2.98. Okay, that makes sense. Minus 1. And divided by 2. So this right here, this expression, that will answer the question for you if you do that. She bought 3 containers, $2.98 each, and there was $1 off. And then her mom said she'd pay for half of the remaining cost. Well, if you want to know what half of something is, you divide it by 2. Okay. Number 26, giraffes are herbivores or plant eaters. A giraffe can eat up to 75 pounds of leaves each day. Wow. Write and evaluate. That's about as much as you guys weigh. Write and evaluate an expression to find out how many pounds of leaves 5 giraffes can eat in a week. So, we're not talking about 1 giraffe, we're talking about 5. So it's going to be 5 times what? Well, there's a clue right there. If 1 giraffe eats 75 pounds a day, 2 giraffes, it'd be 2 times 75. And 3 giraffes, 3 times 75. But it's not, it's 5 giraffes. And then don't forget it says after the 5 giraffes can eat in a week. It's 75 pounds a day. So the first thing you're going to do is 5 times 75, whatever that is, and that multiplied by, it says in a week. That'd be 7 days. So there, I've helped you with several of them, assuming you listened to and watched the video. 27, you should be able to do right. Which expression has the value of 8? So then just go through each expression here and see which ones equal 8. Number 28, using order of operations, which operation should you perform last to evaluate this expression? So as we look at this one here, I see all kinds of parentheses, but which one do we do last? Well, let's see, how can I phrase this? So don't forget in PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, when it boils down to addition and subtraction, you just go from left to right. So once you solve what's in each one of those parentheses, you're just going left to right. Addition and subtraction. Doesn't matter which one comes first. So maybe that'll help you answer 28. So there, I touched on each one of them. I haven't done them for you, but talked about each one, and you guys should be able to do these. And I'm just going to go through to use the randomizer in Classcraft and ask about each one, 22 through 28, maybe a couple people each one. And that's it. I will talk to you guys later.